Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting hexic equation, and we're going to solve for the values of x that will satisfy this equation, both reals and complex values. We have x to the power of 6 plus x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed. This is equal to 0. Now, if you look at the left-hand side of this equation, you will observe that x to the power of 3 is common. So let us factor out x to the power of 3. And here, x to the power of 6 divided by x cubed will give us x cubed. Plus, x to the power of 4 divided by x cubed, we're left with x. Plus, 2x cubed divided by x cubed, we have 2. Then, this is equal to 0. Now, from here, this implies that either x cubed is equal to 0 or x cubed plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. From here, take the cube root of both sides, so we get x is equal to the cube root of 0, which is 0. So we have our first solution. And for this part here, we have a cubic equation. Now we're going to manipulate the left-hand side as follows. We have to write as x cubed plus x plus 2 is same as 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 0. From here, we will write x cubed plus 1, then plus x plus 1, this is equal to 0. We can actually write this as x cubed plus 1 cubed, then here plus x plus 1, this is equal to 0. Now, here we're going to make use of the sum of two cubes formula. Remember that a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now, using this nice sum of two cubes formula, so this part here will become x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus x times 1, which is x plus 1. And here we have plus, so let's factor out, let's put in bracket x plus 1. Now we can see that x plus 1 is common, so let's factor it out. Here we are left with x squared minus x plus 1, and here we are left with 1, and this is equal to 0. So here again, this implies that either x plus 1 is equal to 0 or x squared minus x, here 1 plus 1 is 2, is equal to 0. From here, subtract 1 from both sides, we get x is equal to -1, which is an obvious solution. And for this part here, we make use of the general quadratic formula. So we get x will be equal to negative, b is negative, so negative b will be 1, then plus or minus the square root of b squared is 1 minus 4ac, which is 8, right? Is that 8? Yes, so we have here 8. So here we have 8, because 4 times 1 here is 4 times 2, 8. Then divided by 2 times 1. So here we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus. Now remember that inside this root sign here, this is equal to -7. So square root of -1 is I, which is an imaginary unit, and here we have root 7, then everything is divided by 2. So here we come up with the solution. We have only two real solutions, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to -1. So these are the only two real solutions. Then, and for complex solutions, we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus iota root of 7 divided by 2. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.